Hey everyone, it's Ethan. I know it's been a long time. It's been a year since I uploaded my last travel video. And due to the ongoing pandemic, I promise you, we are all in this together. We will fly once again. Don't worry, there will be ETA flights soon than you expected. So expect that. Subscribe to our channel and enjoy the video. Thank you very much. Let's taste the meal that he made. Sir, if you're watching the video, let's taste. Rice is very good. How about the satay? Sir, this plating is really good. Amazing presentation, yeah? Nice. When I saw that there was the Arrozcaldo Kit sold for 850 pesos in Instagram, I said to myself, why not try it again since I miss flying? The moment of flying is that you see places, beautiful views around the world, and from time to time during this ongoing pandemic, we kinda miss the feeling of what it's like flying in the sky. So what I'm about to show you is about 30,000 feet at home, and I hope you enjoy the video. Including in the Arrozcaldo Kit, let's open it up. Wow, look at that beauty. It includes the native rice bowl, salted egg, the condiments, toasted garlic, green onion, dunggong, and a calamansi. And it also comes with a wooden spoon. And below the wooden spoon is the Arrozcaldo itself, which I will show you in a few minutes. Have you ever wondered why this title is 30,000 feet at home? Find out in the video. As mentioned in the box, you need to hit the Arrozcaldo for 15 to 25 minutes for you to have a taste of 30,000 feet at home. here it is. Pulse Arrozcaldo. Let's give it a try, shall we? And mix everything up. It's kinda good. I feel like even though it's not the exact same taste at the plane, but at least it's very good. I feel like 30,000 feet at home. I miss flying very much. Alright, so that was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video, and wherever you're off to, wherever you are, wherever you're flying to, stay safe everyone, and let's eat the ASIM together.